Today is blessed, my brother. You see all these social media girls, them are fake life na 5 and 6.
Sure, sure.
Social media fake life na 5 and 6.
Yeah.
Especially all these TikTok girls. Go see girl wey fine like this. You go invite them come. For real life, go come be like burnt offering. What I order versus what I got.
Sure.
I go say girl, you go see girl for online, fine. You want say make you shoot your shot, enter in profile, boom, you go see 200,000 followers. My brother, wetin you wan tell am wey 200,000 people never tell am before?
Yeah.
Wetin you wan tell am? I say na for social media you go see person like dis dey shout we are outside, we are outside. Person wey im mama never allow comot for house
Hmm.
dey shout we are outside. Believe social media with at your own risk o. You go let dem pressure you, na you sabi o.
Hmm.
I dey tell you, no dey believe wetin dem dey talk.